All right, I'm making a little bit of a lunch pizza here. And it's a small little pizza with some fresh dough I made, some fresh sauce from the tomatoes from our garden. I'm gonna put a few other really nice little toppings here. All right, let's get a little bit of nice mozzarella on here. I'm gonna get that nice and spread out evenly. Because when I want that to melt, I want it to cover all of that beautiful sauce I put on there. There we go, nice. See how that looks when we get a few other toppings on here. But that's looking pretty good to me right now. You know, one of the greatest things about pizza is you can look in your fridge and find all those things that you have as leftovers from earlier in the week, and they become pizza. So I've got some spinach that we had. We had a little leftover salad. I'm gonna put my spinach on here because who doesn't love spinach on a pizza, or basil, or whatever you might have. And then we had something called adobo chicken for dinner. And for those of you that don't know, this is a chicken recipe that I've been introduced to by my wife's family. And it is a Spanish recipe. Also big in the Philippines, where we've got family relations and ethnic background in the Philippines in my household. And this is a staple of cooking that you'll find in Spanish households, and in my case from the Philippines. So we had some adobo chicken, delicious, and it's going to make a great topping on the pizza. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of this fig to my pizza as well, and get a little sweetness on there. So that's kind of going to make a nice little extra sweet flavor with the vinegar of the adobo chicken and the spinach. All right, so here is my pizza made 100% from leftovers I had in my refrigerator. I had made some pizza dough over the weekend. I made the sauce from tomatoes from my garden that my wife was able to puree, and then we made a nice sauce. Had some leftover spinach, leftover adobo chicken, some fig spread that's left over, and we are going to take that and we are going to pop that right into the convection oven. And I am going to cook that and see what the end results look like here. All right, I had my oven on 450 convection, and let's see, I think this pizza might be ready. Oh yeah, she's looking good. So we're gonna take her out of the oven and get that up on my counter here, and we'll see what this leftovers from my refrigerator pizza looks like here. So looking pretty good to me. I'm gonna let that cool down for just a couple of minutes, and because it's lunchtime and I still need to work, and I like beer and pizza, I'm gonna have a Heineken Zero with my pizza. So I'll pour a little of that, and that'll be my beer with zero alcohol, beer and pizza lunch. And I am going to put that on a plate and slice that up. All right, now I've got my pizza sliced, and it's time for the taste test. Mangia bene. I'm Bob Simone, a pizza lover, a guy that knows how to use all of the leftovers in my refrigerator, and a real estate broker in Massachusetts and Rhode Island with Better Living Real Estate. I hope you all eat well. I hope you have a great day. Now I'm gonna eat my pizza.